the question which is very pertinent to the present day context. Probably the last year Krishi Mela what we had in during 2024, the major theme was the digital agriculture. That is what we have showcased to the entire state, how digital agriculture is occupying a predominant role in agriculture. And in that, what we did is, every time this mechanization should accompany with what you said, artificial intelligence. Now, as you all know, the lands are shrinking, the agriculture lands are shrinking, and moreover, they are fragmented, where the adoption of these technologies are becoming a challenge to the farmers. Under such circumstances, invariably in future, agriculture depends on mechanization with artificial intelligence. So last year we have showcased the sprayers, where sensor-based sprayers, where it is very accurate and precise, and wherever that you fix there only it will spray the chemicals or the growth promoters to the field. And we are also working on this the drone technologies. The drone technology is more popular nowadays, where the application of plant protection chemicals and the growth promoters, it's made it easy in the absence of agricultural laborers. And then the another important thing, the robot technology we are also working out, where it can perform 3 functions at a time, where for example, the opening the furrow, the sowing of it, and closing of the furrow. So these kinds of things we are doing it. And in case of artificial intelligence, for the precise identification of the diseases and the pests, and the application of the required quantity of or the concentration of chemicals will be done by this artificial intelligence method. And moreover, now the agriculture, we are also started working on this artificial intelligence, which can blend with my traditional agricultural practices.
End users are farmers.
Yes.
So how are you going to give them a knowledge about, because as you mentioned about drone cameras,
Yes, yes.
how they get
No,
access?
and now,
affordability also.
yeah, I know. When I said that, it is artificial intelligence, machine learning, mechanization. All these 3 go to, hand in hand. But it doesn't mean that every farmer should own all these things. It is like an entrepreneurship development for the students who have passed out of agriculture universities, or the progressive farmers who are into this extending the extension services to the people. For example, drone, you need not have to own a drone at all. If one of the farmer who has this license of piloting the drone, he can cover the nearby 10 to 12 villages depending on the, for example, now you all know about the tractors. Earlier tractor was used by the individual farmer. Now no more it is an individual property, that he will use it for the cultivation practices of all other neighboring farmers. So on one side, a farmer will also be an entrepreneur. On the other side, the rest of the farmers need not have to invest the initial investment on these machines or the tractors, which cost much for it. So under such circumstances, we can start these things on a cooperative basis, where a single farmer owning this, or there are certain programs of government of Karnataka like the custom hiring centers, where they will keep most of the equipments, and the people can hire it on a nominal rental basis. Such kind of arrangements that we can do it. So here the affordability of the machines may not be there for the farmers, but by paying nominal rent, the affordability of the technology will always be there for this, for the farming community. They can effectively make use of it. So the technology, no doubt, whenever it is useful, our farmers never lag behind in getting it, and 100% they make sure that these technologies are adopted in their farmers' field.